Six. Yeah. A bad man party, girl them they enough. Me I look somebody that a fi fuck. Yeah. Drink up, A mad rascal team link up. I'm bad, Godfather. Man a shot caller. Girl a bubble like hot water. You know say six, no girl no wire. Me no beg split pocket never empty. Full of bills, full of 50, full of 20. Big body bend it, Louis V Fendi. Fresh like lettuce, six them trendy. Hey, yo, what's how we going? Bad man party, them girl lock it off. Every girl a go and bad a shape, body jar. I want a 6 million jar.
She got a nigga, he got a shirt. You got a nigga, he got a burn. She ain't the nigga, come on the world. I see a movie on millions of things. Don't speak on my life, but I know I'm breathing. You niggas are you with a popular nigga. Don't hold it, you say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly to beat work to a place that shit ain't yours. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling. Who you fucking thinking, fucking with, you the fucking boss. Sit up 45, white on white, that's fucking lost. I cut them wide, I cut them long, I cut them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got them motherfuckers flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo, Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. I ain't paying, nigga. We buy the whole thing. See, most of my neighbors really still feel the whole thing. My move, man. I'm on it like I'm on the town. Show me what I'm running like. When they snatch like I'm crying for a hundred times. See that? So that I'm running like
You grip on the door, I want you to grab me. Say, put it tastes like black, tell me, still wanna do your gymnastics.
Mindset on all way above average. Little ass nigga, but I been about action. Smacking, shot man, I might act. Little nigga play with my bitch on blast. Trash, everybody get free cash. Meals and feet stand up to party. The secret, tell me the gag.
Fruit punch at the bar. Fruit punch at the bar. Well, rum punch to be exact.
Names. I'm just gonna go by the team. Big up to all the money team people. Money talk team, you know? So it's and bullshit what? But anyway, the buffet is open. Food is here, galore. Nobody come tonight and can't eat or don't have a belly full. Y'all can get food 2 times too. Okay, so let's go and enjoy ourselves.
Until daylight, we're from this. Shout out to all the teenagers, shout out to all the elders, everybody in the building. You understand? Just here to party. And when we party, don't know we party with all kind of genre of music. So shout out to everybody who know music and know party go. You understand? Remember the food is there and the food can done. And the bar is there by town. Likewise, you understand? I don't know. Excess Romans they have to play and you know DJ boards they have to play. What the top select that's going early. Anyway, let's just kick it off like this. Want to start that way, I don't know it's a party thing where I
Yeah, it's the top pipe around me, yo. Whoa, yeah. Chicago. Said I know that it's somebody's birthday tonight somewhere. And I know somebody's gonna celebrate tonight somewhere. I know one thing's for sure. I'm gonna put on my dancing shoes, the door, and go out and step the whole night through. I'm gonna stop in the name of love, and I'm gonna in the name of love, yeah, in the name of love. I'm gonna step in the name of love, step in the name of love, in the name of love. See, I know there's somebody bringing out the shower somewhere. What do we do when the DJ's playing our favorite tune? We step to win the whole night. And what do we do? We're all dressed up in blue. We step to a step or two. Where do we go to dance so we can get the club? Why to the party and have some fun? What is it that can take away all your stress? Tell me music. All the questions you have past my test. Happy people, yeah, oh yeah, keep the water turning, oh yeah, I'll be there. Happy people, yeah, oh yeah, keep the party dancing, dancing, dancing.
It's so good. Love is somebody, and somebody loves you back. To be loved and be loved in return is the only thing that my heart desires. Just appreciate the little things I do. Oh, you're the one who's got me excited. Only to lift me higher. So good. Love is somebody, and somebody loves you back. It's so good. Needing somebody, and somebody loves you back. We can feel the world of love and joy. Ain't got golden chance. Happiness. I will do for you anything that I can. Oh, every day I want to do a little more, just a little bit more. It's so good. Love is somebody, and somebody loves you back. That's a fact. It's so good.
You're looking for this morning, almost 12 to 14. Lay off there.
Big up. Aisha, big up. See you. Let's go into that Amman there.
This is something new. The Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky. Funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. All right, now we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all.
When I play these songs, I don't care if you're from New York or Texas or Jamaica. I don't care if you're from the east side or the west side or the north side of Texas. I want every motherfucking people represent on this one.
I'm from New York. I gotta see me manifest this. time to keep talking, I got niggas. I'm from New York. I got a studio that that's this. It's time to keep talking,
for the diamonds, I need you. I give you
Then you walk first. Man, this is the murder. I'm a control. If I want to touch man, you do that. If I see you, man, you know we don't worse. And if you and first.
People, it's right now.
Darling, big up yourself here. Africa is strong. So go look, see? You don't know what it takes go. Remember you. Yeah. Remember you. First and future, see? You don't know some Black and Avon family. We are the 8th-year party. Rose Garden is all about July 9th. See? Remember Leo Affair, August 12 to the 14th. See? Rastamar. You don't know the body's been a man for the land road, you know. The put Texas for the maps of man to know that. See? When you see that party, it's not a joke party that you keep. When you look at the party, you see the settings. People from all walks of life in the party, you don't know where you go. Big up all of the cool in the place, you know, you know, big up everybody later on. So request for all the people that want to celebrate them earth strong. But you see, before we do anything, anybody from New York in the building, if you're not born in New York, or when you live Jamaica, anywhere you forward from the land of New York, dream long. DJ.
Ashes to ashes, lost the devils out back. I let your fucking brain like snitches. I'm vicious for riches, you carry 20 tools. I put they close to me. I'm not telling them I'm father.
What about some dollars in the building? Stand up, two in the building.
For hitting my money, taking the common pop. Nigga, I was born in the drop. All in the pop.
Charlie Texas in the building.
Street cops, fucking warnings. The southern force, your fucking choice.
Stop with it.
4.6, we are sick.
Yeah.
Bitch.
So we got folks to my house. To see me, I'm looking at your papa. So we got folks to my reciprocity. I'm with me, but I'm not alive. So we got folks to my reciprocity. I'm not giving a hand, no job. So I support you. I'm not giving you a job. Well, they want to know what's the good money.
When those who have a real G will pass away. If you have a real G will jump out and never live, you say 20 seconds. Let me see if the lights are on ya.
Them soldiers, I miss you. Life is a fucking dream. People from the fallen soldiers, we miss you. I know you done real with
The party is so good, serious.
life is a fucking real, yeah. I saw the good, but I'm not a friend of fucking gun. I'm not a friend of them about some marijuana. I'm doing a fucking, never do a marijuana. Standing my try to let you make it cross the border. Want some
All the people know some bounty killer, the general for blood clot dancers. Let me see you rise right back to the sky. Request to the people in the house right now. No matter if you're Jamaican, Caribbean, or American, you must understand this. If you have a real motherfucking friend in the building, put your right hand to the sky. When we are talking about real friend, we are talking about friend that walk up on your friend now go run blood clot, left you. What the gangsters that day? Chicken back for me. What is the fucking going on here?
Why
South Beach, Joseph, Mount, Sabbath, Copper, Mark Street, Waterhouse, Tower.
That party are serious, you know.
My friend.
Access Global, Supermoon, Famous Club.
Cool life, yeah. But anything me talk me can defend. There's no one got me on the back and when you see me, them friendly. We don't learn one touch, but then they are still we don't care. We don't have people, them is what they are. We don't need us, we don't care. They tell us we are saying this to be.
Watch your party! I want to break and dance! Everybody get with the program! I'll start with the dance! What's on the party emotional? I'll be a basic song I play now. Jump on that all the people at the house right now. When you say your heart clean and your blood clot are dirty. And you know the French can't do the finest blood clot DJ that the world put the up to the sky. Hey!
Everything I work.
Yeah, some girl don't like you for shit. What the problem you got with that girl? She don't have a reason. Guess what, baby? Your blood clot.
we're still eating.
Plug in, I love the woman them. Wolverine, you see up, big up yourself. You know, see you touch the microphone and you look like you're waiting sun hot out that door. Let me play some song for the girl. You know over there in the party. Is a Volkswagen. If a your key, link the security. Play about the girl song again.
Just you wind up. When you come the pussy, but there's nothing to negotiate. Let me go sound like a cold dress. Pussy
somebody else. Somebody else. Suéltame, dándole. Suéltame, dándole.
Bad man, new money, big up on yourself. More play that song here. You see when new money come around, any of them come around with the side girl, and them and the side girl apart. But when them touch road with the wife, if the side girl they are dance, side girl have to roll out them black corners. They can't happen. So man want have a back of girl and don't know if the deal is a back of girl. Some want have a back of girl and make a back of girl and this them blood clot in them. What do you girl is stand over there? Number one! Man, wait.
We don't know what they want to do. Cheat on your but she go cheat as a blame. No, you make a freak in the big tree. You know the same. Let that sink in. You're violent on the bunking. For you feel the pain. Don't treat all of the yellow. Some more on the line. Some more young girls. Start to say, oh, it's for your dad. The thing that you like. Look, she doesn't know it's a dad.
I saw what this time, I'm about 5 more, about 6 minutes out. Yeah. I just want to make sure we play some song for the girl there. You don't know that thing they go. But they have to make sure we play some song for the girl there. Big up all the Jamaican them, big up all the American them, big up anyone who come from. Because all over the world, we are hungry people and we are people who are suffering. Ghetto is not only in Jamaica. Ghetto they all over the world. Suffering people they all over the world. So anywhere you come from, and you know what hunger is, you know what stress is, you never grow in me no fright you will see.
See what? Where my sexy gals at? I can't hear no noise. Where the gal that throw them bodies? Right?
There we go.
Alright, pull up. We gonna start with something a little familiar. So when I first came out, it was T.O.K. who discovered me, and we dropped this single called Booty Clap. And that's what you guys are really familiar. So we gonna start with y'all know, and then we gonna get on what I've been up to for the last 6 years since I've been gone. Alright, you ready? Let's go. It's lollipop.
There we go. I know I'm hot and I got it like that. Every man wanna touch me when I walk up in the spot. When I make my booty clap, make my booty clap. Make my booty clap, make my booty clap. I know I'm hot and I got it like that. Every man wanna touch me when I walk up in the spot. When I make my booty clap, make my booty clap. Make my booty clap, make my booty clap. Like you sit up in a trap. Nobody like you lean on the nerves. Do the one job and put it in a reverse. And you close it down, you go like a boss.
Drop it like a matic. You can block traffic. I treat your body like a pocket roll. I live the talking the wall. Come on in the kudo, when you find out kudo, and you kudo. What's up in kudo? I'm squeezing my knee, you're going
I make the boys stand up when I shake it. Real thing, no silicone, I don't fake it. Boys wanna know what it's like to see me naked, especially when I drop it to the floor, earthquake. When I get it to you, boy, you gotta take it. You gotta really come on, just embrace it. It's lollipop, make that booty clap. I didn't know, and I didn't booty clap. Sing it, I know I'm hot, and I got it like that. Every man wanna touch me when I make my booty clap, make my booty clap. Yeah, I know that shit. I know I'm hot, yeah, make my booty clap. So tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? You wanna know my favorite fruit? Like follow me. Let's play a little bit more. Have a seat. Follow flavors every Saturday. Can we make all these chicken meat? Let's say lollipop. You such a mystery. Like here's a major piece to our recipe. It can't have a flavor. You belong to the streets. You know how you out here, man. Let's hash it up. Let's hash it up. Let's hash it up. It made it all days. It won't stop. It won't be. Let's turn it back.
You Man running like a dog, 50 people very well done. 35K police station sarge, murder everything in your blood. Run, run, run. We drive by with the gun. Run, run, run. Fake the play, the 4-5 for the fun. Run them down. We drive by with gun. Run them down. Run. When you see a white box, when you pick up white empire jump. Bring a white gun, 4 chase with an as a lollipop. Boy run off a bump to bump. Good, the dog a clock, he must go. Fully charge on back, man, you know. Can't get away no matter where you run, though. Run, run, run. Drive by with gun. Big up all the chicken back, you know. Big up all my friends. Donkey,
you know, read well, maybe not my glasses, I want something that
Babylon system, the righteous get the youth. Remember to do right. Don't just words, just action, use your mind, no? The first bad mind, no? Sexual imaging is a new one. Go tell it. Go tell bad mind, boy. You're your turn. Go tell them. Send it to the market. Let the world back now. Send the people like your back. Fuck you!
put up one in your head full. Back two, looking for the X for the next move, next blue. Why stand here, make you sausage and fresh fruit, black on my neck to done it. Now we get mad funny with it. Boy, you know you're soft like critic, I'ma kill it, I'ma build it. Never let the love to the ceiling. Clever in the life, woman living. Bring it to the these are mean hits as a youngin', I'm all about my money. Life in the gully ain't funny when they can't find the food in your belly, feel it bumming like honey. Money never eat for nobody, I mean never pray for nobody, so nobody can't stop me. Money come a green like Harry, never run the street when we're sweaty, but now we are washing. Touchy about that thing, I'm a worry.
Party there, money talk shit.
pull on the farm above the pocket not old. Then we jump on the old. Until you reach your
when you wind up happy to eat them up, baby, pull up on the ice like that. So baby, back and shake it up right there. Stand up and get up with a good brother. That's how me flash and shake me ear. We don't care, all we close, we feel. Watch your body.
Watch this one.
Head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. Head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. Head, my shoulder, my knees, my toes. Up, clock, stop. LOL, 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 call your arm, master. LOL, LOL, stop.
Watch your number.
Hey, come on. Do it, music. Do it, stop. Whoa. I tell you already. We don't know nonsense. All right, jump.
Watch your body. Watch your body. Everybody know. Oh shit.
Hey,
You know when I want somebody, I feel the H music when I play.
I say more.
No, people, the party, you won't deserve it, brother. A long time. Big up yourself, Super Bowls. Let's just go, let's go.
I know Shabu West. You ready, Junkie? Darling, I'm gonna wait. I hear some that. I hear team some that. But you know you're my brother. You know you're junkie, uncle. I said tonight, my love to see you happy at a party. I said good luck. I want to big up to the people who turn out for my bigger brother. Tonight, I couldn't find enough song to play for you by your Earth Strong. This is a song Junkie select. I want to say happy Earth Strong. I love life. See Junkie.
It's a long race, mama said some device and don't bring disgrace. Up the gloom, start sweep the place, all these ways. I'm brushing the people days. I love what do I show you? I
a soldier sitting at the ass clock building. Say, big up my stars in the house once again. But I'm going to big up all of the mothers and all of the mother blood clot. Take the father roll. Big up to all of the real girls. Never know, say, you are youth. You have to go all the girls for 2-3 years. You know, blood clot, give up a share one on the eye. You know what?